How to set up TikTok family pairing. To set up TikTok's family pairing, first of all, launch the TikTok application on your device. Once you open it, all you have to do is now go ahead and tap on your profile icon on the bottom right corner, then tap on these three horizontal lines on the top right. Then head to Settings and Privacy, and then you should be able to access this family pairing over here. Go ahead and tap on this, then tap Continue. Now select parent on your guardian's phone, and if you are using the teen's phone, go ahead and select the teen option, then tap Next. Once you tap Next, all you have to do is now proceed to share your QR code by tapping on this option. Take your teen's phone and make sure to scan the QR code on your guardian's phone. Once you do this, from here you can now set screen time limits and restrict mode, as well as filter the keywords and also discoverability. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.